yes. A little bit of kayaking today. Poo is coming out. Only cheap kayaks, but let's see what they're like. Oh yes, a little different from the mountains today. Just got this kayak, only 150 quid. Something to do and have a little break from the mountains. Watch me go right into that now. Obviously I'm a novice, but you know, it's all about getting out there, innit? Just let the wind blow me. See where Carl is. Right. Hurry up! Snowing ahead of us. Usually up that over weekend. Yeah! It's the wind, lad! Get Batty's in a minute when he catches up. Where's your seat? Mine hasn't gone up, lad. You'll be alright in a minute. What's what we're doing? Soaked here. Sky's clearing up though, isn't it? The sky. Yeah. Ooh. Complete novices. What? You can get there, lad, and use that one to balance yourself. Sun's out now, lad. The sun's coming out to play. As you do. Did you get your phone with you? Yeah. Soaked myself. Oh, okay. What? Choppy as fuck, innit? What? What do you want to do? Do you want to go back and sort your seat out? Man down, I've lost Carl. Doing the job like just fucking soaked. Oh yes! Nice easy one today, something different on the kayaks, soaked. Well, we're not indoors, are we? Something matters. Nice easy little chill day today on the lake. At boss views as well. Happy days. Sun's coming out.
Sun's coming out.
I'm soaked. Mine is, but.
I have to walk traffic to the water.
Did ya? Boss though, innit, lad?
Oh.
Boss, innit? You know what I mean? Paddleboards.
Like this, you know, right?
I know, just saying that, just. I know. Going over to that, by that.
What?
Let's get out a little bit further, innit?
Oh, fuck that,
Bye.
I'm gonna get used to it. I'm not
You look alright, innit, lad?
I look alright, but I'm not that.
That's just your nerves, though, innit? See, like that now, where it's thrown us. Just relax, just go with it. You're not gonna tip. Hey. You just got to the. Pair of novices, lad. It's only that wind, lad. Well, get over pair. Let's get out, right out in the middle. What? I know, just go with it. Gonna have to start doing this when I come down off a mountain. This is fun, this. Something different, innit? I'll stay in by the shore. I want to get up there and climb up that rock. There's a few over there climbing up it. It's coming to this first pinnacle. Got to do a grade 1 paddle over to there, to Carl. I know, but you know what it is? You're coming on side on where the waves are hitting you. Face them. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, so face them or have your ass to them. Doesn't bother me. If it's making you panic, just go towards them. Hey, you'll be alright, lad. That's what you got it for, so you got to get your use out of it. You're using it now, aren't you? Checking how deep is it? About 4 foot. Is it 4 foot?
Ah, these 6 foot, aren't they?
Yeah. Should we go over to that look? They're all on that rock.
See, I thought you were going to jump off.
That's what they were doing on that video I was watching last night.
What, jump off it?
Not right to the top.
I see them, they put the canoes in the bottom.
Yeah, did you watch that video?
Towards the top.
Oh, there?
Then, yeah, there was a lot of fun. I was wondering what they were doing.
Just slap them together, lad.
First on the steady, oh.
Well, get out of there, lad.
Can't.
Well, they can pull you down. Try to get over to that rock there, but the fucking wind just keeps blowing me. Just keeps blowing me fucking back. If everyone's going to it, staying by the edge of that campsite over there, I just nearly lost my camera. I'm going right through the middle where the wind's blowing right through, so it's a fail on that. You know, I'm only learning. So I'm going to go over there and climb up that. But the fucking wind's too heavy. I suppose if I launched from that campsite at the back of me and stayed at the edge, I'd get to it. Just making up excuses, innit? Always blame the fucking bad workman, always blames the tools. Anyway, it's all good. Oh. It's just getting me quicker over to Carlis. The wind's sort of on my side. I ain't going anywhere, it's getting pushed back. I mean, if I stop to paddle 1 sec and then I'm fucking push back loads, it's going to find Carl. Well, interesting little day today on the kayaks. Just chatting to this. Little different day, innit? Something different out on the kayak. That's it there, 150 quid of Amazon. It's only cheap like, but you know, gets it out, doesn't it? Pot noodle time. Goodbye, Lee. What a morning. Just what a morning. Saying goodbye to the lake. Belted out. See you back here next week. Anyway, that's us done. Catch us later.